Welcome back. You're watching Powerland Markets. No respite. More questions being raised by what ICICI Bank has clarified. Where were the net losses stated in the past? We'll get to that in just a bit. Sensex and Nifty down. Sensex down 400 points now, 16,253. Nifty also down sharply, 114 points. Let's bring out the biggest losers right now. ICICI Bank is one of them. We are looking at the BankX down sharply. Interestingly enough, ICICI Bank's clarity has raised more questions than clarified the entire matter about the subprime loss. Remember, they are taking a loss because of exposure to the debt market. They don't have any subprime direct exposure. That means they haven't bought any paper of US housing companies or insurance companies which underwrite those mortgages. BankX is the biggest loser, 5.5%. Shelly, what's happening?
Indeed, and especially if you look at a couple of stocks that are unusually in the news. SRF is one of them. That company is all set to make an acquisition which will be announced in a few weeks from now. This is likely to be a Thai acquisition for them, which means that they would look at Asian consolidation in a big way. SRF is the company we're talking about. This could be an acquisition according to sources in Thailand, and they could be looking at technical textiles, plastic coatings, to try and get themselves a customer last mile connection. Acquisition is likely to be significant, though not very large in terms of money, but going to be filling the missing link for them through internal accruals they'll fund it.
Alright, more swaps coming in from Reliance Industries. If the refinery tax holiday deadline was not enough, it looks like the rig tax holiday is on its way. From what we understand, the oil secretary said so in Mumbai today, that they are working out the rig holiday, and that should be expected soon.
We are considering it very proactively. Very shortly. You tell me.
What is your expectation of very shortly?
Next week.
Within the next 2-3 weeks.
This month.
To the extent required and requested by them, say let's say 2 years or so.
Based on the current information that we have, the subsidy sharing for the 3 quarters, what we have actually borne is 13,500 crores, and based on the current information available for the last quarter also should be about 6,500 to 7,000.
Let's now join a special guest, Arun Ashar, joining us of United Phosphorus Live.